demands only these qualities. See, Viveka, Vairagya, Shamadhi, Sharaka Sampatti, and Mumukshutva. So, which are those? The teacher now he enumerates. आदौ नित्यानित्य विवेकः परिगण्यते यः मूत्रफलभोगो विरागः तदनन्तरं then shamadhi shataka sampatti mumukshutvam cheti sputam. These are the four qualities told. See, now one by one the teacher will explain. Adau, to begin with, nitya nitya vastu vivekaha. What is real and what is unreal, or what is nitya eternal and what is ephemeral and what is not eternal. See, first viveka between these two. What is real and what is unreal? Second thing, iha amutra phala bhoga viragaha tadanantara. The second quality required by the seeker is iha of this world, amutra of the other world, viragaha. None of the things in this world can see. Vairagya means what? Be very attentive. It is not the opposite of raga. Opposite of raga is dvesha. Vairagya is, in simple words, we are not disturbed by anything of this world. That is Vairagya. See? Meaning the presence and absence of things have no impact on us. That is Vairagya. See? And when can it happen? When we have known all that is in this world is not real. See? So, Iha and Amutra in the other world. What is other world? Going to heaven, going to Brahmalok. See? None of the things of this world or the other world can ever attract us. Otherwise, if you do this thing, you will go to heaven, you will go to the Golok, or you will go to the Vaikuntha and all that. Nothing can attract us. See? Then it is Vairagya. See, friends, ever. See? Then we come to the next one, Shama. What is the Shama? So these two we have seen, Viveka, Vairagya. Now Shamadhi, Sharaka Sampatti, the sixfold spiritual wealth. First is Shama. Virajya Vishayam Vrata Dosha Drushtya Mumurmuhu Swalakshe Niyatavastha Manasaha Shama Uchyate. Vishayam Vratat Virajya. One is totally withdrawn, indifferent to all the objects of the world. Vishaya Vrata. And how to do that? Dosha Drushtya Mumurmuhu. Now this is a very beautiful approach. What is our qualification today? Our qualification, we can find out fault even with God. Why God has created like this? Why He didn't do like this thing? See? We can find fault with everybody. This is called dosha drishti, the ability to find out faults. Now the teacher says, oh, you have got very good quality. Now apply this ability to find out faults towards what? Vishaya vratat, towards all the objects of the world. See? And whatever we have seen with limitations or shortcomings, we naturally give afterwards. See? Therefore, whenever we have got value, importance for anything, positive or negative, that enters in our heart. So what is the Shama therefore? Let the worldly things and beings not enter in our mind. And they enter in our mind through getting good or bad information about them. See? And that influence is called a desire. Therefore, Virajya Vishaya Vrata Dosha Dushtya Mumurmuhu, then Swalakshe Niyata Avastha Manasaha Shamuchate. Then the mind is available for focusing on whatever we have chosen. See, friends, this is extremely important for us to know. Now, The teacher goes further. The next one. विषयेभ्यः परावर्त्यं स्थापनं स्वस्वगोलके उभयेषां विषयेभ्यः परावर्त्यं स्थापनं स्वस्वगोलके उभयेषामिन्द्रियाणां स दमः परिकीर्तितः. The Shama was with reference to the mind. Control over mind is Shama. Now what is Dama? Panam Swasva Golake Ubhayesham Indriyanam. When all the 10 faculties, Dhanendriyas and Karmendriyas, they are Vishayebhya Paravartya, they are withdrawn from the respective objects. Complete withdrawal. And Indriyana Swasva Golake Sthapanam. They are not destroyed, but their movement beyond the locus is restricted. Now to understand this, Vishay, object, a beautiful flower. Immediately, the flower has entered our mind through the eyes, Jnanendriya. And Karmendriya, the tongue, starts blabbering. How beautiful it is. See, is it not our life? We see and hear and we comment. देखो, बोलो, देखो, सुनो, बोलो मत. This is what is called as the Shama and the Dama. See, hear and see, mind. Bolo mat, the organ of action. So both these types of actions, Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, let them remain in their own place. We don't have to destroy. See? Vision is given to us by God to see the world, not to. If we can control these two. First is the Jnanendriya. See, too much of talking, too much of food. So much of whole life goes only in this eating. And then the Karmendriya, unwanted blabbering. Either talking to others or talking to oneself. These two things are consciously practiced. Then we are practicing the Dhamma, the control of the organs. Then third thing comes Uparati. Bahyanalambanam vrittehe vrittehe esha uparati uttama. Now the best, the supreme withdrawal is what? Bahya alambanam vrittehe na. So Bahyan alambanam vrittehe. None of the worldly objects are entertained by the mind. See? What is the vritti? Vritti is the mind plus entry of the object together constitutes a thought. Vritti means thought. So, Bahyanarambanam vrittehe. See friends, Uparati is no objective thought is entertained by the mind. Meaning, drop the worldly objects. Otherwise, we become theoretical. We'll prepare notes. And we will have the illusion that I have understood. You don't have to understand anything. You have to stand under this. See? So, Bahyanalambanam vrittehe esha uparati uttama. So, we have seen how many? 3 of them. Yama, not Yama. The Shama, Dhamma, Uparati. Now, the 4th is the Titiksha. Sahanam sarvadukhanam pratikara purvakam chinta vilaparahitam sa titiksha nigadyate. Sarvadukhanam apratikara purvakam sahanam. All the misery that come in our life, we are ready and able to go through apratikara purvakam. Don't have to run from the situations of life. Because wherever you will run, there you are. See, world can have no impact on us if we do not allow the world to have impact on our mind. So let the mind be like the mirror. So what is the titiksha? This titiksha of the mirror, you understand. When a beautiful girl goes and stands in front of the mirror and she goes away, then oldly like me goes and stands and doesn't go away, then the mirror must be suffering. Come on, yaar, okay, now you're gone, go ahead, go ahead. No, I wanted to see how I look from different angles. So when the mirror is reflecting a useless fellow like me, oldie, that is a titiksha for the mirror. See, he can't do anything except cheerfully. Therefore, sarvadukhanam apratikara purvakam. Let us not run away from, see, stop complaining. Chinta vilaparitam sa titiksha nigadyate. Then comes the fifth one, Shraddha. This is the inner wealth, friends. External wealth we know, this is inner wealth. Shastrasya guruvakyasya satya buddhyavadharana sa shraddha kathita sadvihi yaya vastu upalabhyate. Shastrasya guruvakyasya, whatever is told in our scriptures and whatever is taught to us by the Guru Maharaj, satya buddhya avadharanam, it should be taken positively that yes, this is the meaning. But if you start doubting, but how it is possible, then you are going the wrong way. When this is said that you are Brahman, then it has to be like that. Then with this Shraddha we start. So what is Shraddha? Shraddha is a blind faith in the area of unknown, and then only we proceed and we come to a conclusion. What I have accepted blindly was the truth. And where not any Tom, Dick and Harry. Shastra say available for any job that we want. It is not a depressed mind. Therefore, sarvada sthapanam buddhehe shuddhe brahmani sarvatha tat samadhanam ityuktam natu chittasya lalanam. See? Therefore, sarvada buddhehe shuddhe brahmani sthapanam. When our attention is on the pure conscious blissful existence, that means extrovertedness is almost zero. And it is not once in a while on the seat of meditation. No. Sarvada, sarvatha. Under all conditions and in every place and all the time. Tat samadhanam ityuktam. That is called a samadhana. Natu chittasya lalanam. See? Our samadhana is, I wanted a cup of tea and I got it. I'm so happy. No. Not by fulfilling the desires, but by going beyond the desire is what is meant by the samadhanam. And this can come only through wisdom. There is no other way. See? Ahankaradi dehantan bandhan ajnana kalpitan Swasarupavabodhena moktumiksha mumukshita. Now the fourth qualification. Viveka, Vairagya, Shamadhi, Shataka Sampatti and Mumukshitva. Now what is Mumukshitva? Moktumiksha mumukshita. Okay. The urgent need, urgent desire to be liberated, to be free. Free from what? See? So, ahankar adi dehantat, see? Starting from the ahankar, the ego, then all the three bodies, sthula, sukshma and karana, and ajnana kalpitan, and they are all born out of incomplete knowledge. So what is the liberation there for moksha? Moksha is liberation from ajnanam. We don't have to destroy the world. We don't have to destroy the body. We don't have to destroy our personality. Only the wrong notions. See, friends, So what is the mumuksha? Mumuksha is freedom from wrong notions. And this freedom can happen only if two things are there. Number one, we are ready and we are able to drop our wrong notions about ourselves, about the world, about God, and about spiritual practice. These are the four areas where wrong notions are creating havoc in our life. Ahankara. See, this mumukshata, if it is manda mumukshata or madhyam mumukshata, manda means what? Oh, not yeah, now, we'll do it later, not now. Say, now let's enjoy. See? Difficult to get out of the bhog, manda. Madhyam rupapi, now yes, it is important, but now let us do it, after retirement. See, अभी से क्या करना है? मध्यम. So even if the dispassion, mumukshutva is not intense and it is not committed, even then, vairagyana shamadina, if we are practicing dispassion and the shamadama uparati shraddha titiksha samadhana, 6 of them, and the prasadena guroho, the 3 things will help us in increasing our intensity for knowing the truth. See? So, manda madhyama rubrum pradhyam yasmat banda vimokshanam. Now here the most important thing. Ukta sadhana sampannaha. Unless we have got all these qualifications, which are the qualifications? I am repeating it. It should go deep in our system. Viveka, Vairagya, Shama, Dhamma, Uparati, Shraddha, Titiksha, Samadhana, Mumukshutva, and the balance between or balance among the dispassion and Shamadhi, Shadaka Sampatti and Mumukshutva. And the basis of this is Viveka, the discrimination. In addition, devotion, inquiry with love.